Get me on to promote my show. My hat's all freaking green, man.
John Deere green?
John Deere green, man. It's everywhere. Now I have to go rehearse drums for like 6 hours. Because I don't want to brag. I'm just going to shut up until you ask me.
John Deere green? These are fun to spray. That one's about 7 foot in the back.
Yeah, got shoulder work on it.
We actually had to spray it horizontally and then
stand it up, spray it again, and then hopefully not fall to my death on this teeter-totter of the step, which is probably, we should have not done that, but hey, we got it, so. But should be good. I'm gonna charge double. Can we charge double?
Can we charge double? Sure.
Because look at all this cleanup. It's like the Incredible Hulk took a crap in here.
Incredible Hulk got blowed up in here. Is that a word, blowed up?
Yeah, I thought you were gonna say something else. But yeah, now I have to go rehearse.
No, Dan, my brain doesn't work like that.
Yeah, well mine does, so booyah. Anyway, I have to go to rehearse drums for like 6 hours. Play some shows. Philly and New York City, I think.
What happened to your cold brew?
Well, I ran out. Just drank all the samples and I still haven't gotten them in. So I went to Little Amps. Shout out to Little Amps Harrisburg. Still fine coffee. Still gives me the jitters though. So bulletproof doesn't give you the crash jitters, brain fog like other coffees. Clean, sustained energy, no crash jitters. Brain fog kicks on your. Anyway.
I have no idea what he's saying. He's just rambling at this point.
I don't know what I'm saying either.
So we got I got a metal order in. I'm waiting for another small one. But this metal order here was my 3-inch slots. So I cut them all.
The water looks kind of murky though. I think like the chemicals are coming off. You see that?
Yeah, I think that's the...
Do you think it's the metal or the...
I think it's, yeah, the oils that might have been on the metal because I didn't wipe it down or anything. Yeah, maybe.
So now it's contaminated.
But I did put my sodium nitrate in there, about 2.5 pounds of sodium nitrate, and some Fizan 20. Yeah, no, you want to swim in there. But I filled it up all the way to the top.
You got some new things?
Yeah, slots. That's what I was talking about. These slots are... I thought they were going to be 22 foot sticks, but they were only 20, so I'm 8 short. So I got to order 2 more sticks. Not a big deal. You hardly use it back here anyways.
All right, gonna play drums. Nice seeing y'all. Love you.
Bye, Dan.
Never asked me what I was doing.
Huh?
A little peeved. Like, why are you playing drums, Dan? That's all I wanted you to ask. It's okay.
Dan, why are you playing drums?
Playing drums, gotta ask to fill in.
He's filling in. Oh.
I'm filling in for some band that their drummer got stuck in Canada or something. So, it's a good opportunity. Make some coin. But I've never had so little of a time window to learn a full set. So
How long do you have to learn a full set?
I'm practicing tonight. So
When's the show?
a couple hours tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow. I didn't even know who the band was until noon today. So
Awesome. Oh. I have to make this. I have to make 3 of these. So I just got some material in for that, which is over here. This is the first time I've really bought expanded metal. And it comes in all kinds of different sizes, and the prices are all over the place. But I figure this would be a good medium for what the guy's using it for. It's going to be a cellar grate, like over the windows that have the cellar windows. So we need to make 3 of those. And I got angle iron cut for that. If we go back over here, so this, I was thinking of making it out of a box tube, but that bend is really hard to do, and I don't really want to use 1/8-inch steel. So what I've decided to do is cut this out of plasma, one piece, and then take a 1-inch flat bar and just bend it around and tack it on the inside. That way I can lay this expanded metal grate inside and tack it in there, so then you have a nice clean finish. And then that's going to get powder coated white. So I'll be working on that this week. Another little project here I worked on Saturday. Where's this, I don't know if you guys ever heard of this bicycle brand, DaVinci. It's some sort of constant variable drive, and the customer came in, he had this piece, but it's missing one pulley. So I made a pulley that matches, the same size, that drops on there, and I actually just found a video where the cable wraps comes through here. This also is a mount here, so I need to drill a hole so a screw can mount through there. I'm going to have to recess a pocket in through here, and then that should be pretty good to go, and he should be back in business on that bike. Pretty neat. So we're finishing up the green, the last 3 pieces for that. And there's the fan. Not a fan, I guess it's a windmill. It spins in the wind and actually still spins, so did a good job not seasoning that up with powder. Hopefully they like the John Deere green. It's not too obnoxious. It's the only green I had. Yep. This expanded metal I need to cut on the plasma, but I've had no luck in the past. It just seems to shut off the pilot. Now I was reading through the manual on the Hypertherm, and it says it will cut it just fine, which it says here. Expanded metal will cut just fine. It's just harder on your consumables because the pilot needs to stay on more. So I'm trying to look through my controller here to see if there's some setting in here, but I can't seem to find anything. So I'm gonna have to call the manufacturer tomorrow, Shop Saver. I'll give them a call tomorrow and ask them if there's a setting that we need to change so I can cut this material out. I still have to draw it up, the design anyways, so I'll do that tonight so that tomorrow I can get that hopefully cut out without any issues. And we'll show you a video of that. Hopefully it'll all work. But we got the ovens done, so we can go over here and look. Right, Bird? Bird's ready to go. She's been bad. I've had to put her on a leash. She's been running away. Not running away, but just not coming when she's supposed to come in. Ooh, it's nice and warm in here. There we go. This actually turned out really nice. They were tricky hanging, that was for sure, and maneuvering it since they're so big. But hopefully the customer won't mind John Deere green. So my mother-in-law came in and said, "Oh, when people say green, they generally want dark green." I'm like, oh, well, that would have been nice to know, but I don't have dark green, so they're getting John Deere green. It took, I think, Dan 4 hours to wire wheel the surface rust off of. It would have probably only taken 15 or 20 minutes to sandblast, but I don't have any material yet. That will probably be here tomorrow, so we just wire wheeled it to get it done. Alrighty guys, that's about all we got for you today. Hopefully you liked what you saw here. Nothing great, but yeah, awesome. They're calling for more snow tonight, tomorrow, the day after. Like 2 inches or 1 inch tonight, 2 inches tomorrow, 3 or 4 or 6 or something like that the day after. And I just put new brakes on the Cayenne, rear brakes, and put on the tires, got them all balanced. So I took my snows off. I figured, we're safe for the year. They're in all seasons, so hopefully they'll do okay. They have tread on at least. With no tread, they're terrible. The snows have a little bit of tread on them too, but they actually work really well. But hopefully we won't have any issues with that. And we won't have too much bad weather. So, alrighty guys, we'll talk to you later.
So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. Faces going